Hey everybody, Will here. It's starting to get warm again, and so what I need to do is I need to take off my winter wheels and tires and throw on my summer wheels and tires. It's starting to get to the point where the overnight temps are not getting very low, so I think it's probably a safe time. It's pretty hot today. I'm actually sweating here in the carport, so I think we're ready. So it's gonna be pretty easy. First, we're just gonna loosen the lug nuts. We'll then jack the car up, remove the lug nuts completely, remove the wheel, and then we will put on my summer tires. I'm gonna rotate them at the same time, so when I took these off last time, I put a piece of masking tape on the inside of the wheel and marked which wheel they were on. So I know where this wheel that I took off was last time. This was the right front wheel, and so we're gonna do a cross. We're gonna swap them across, and so the front right is now going to go to the rear left, and now we're going to get started. So I've put chocks in front and behind the front wheel, and now we're going to get started with the rear. All right, I found the pinch weld underneath here. Now we're going to get the car jacked up, so go ahead and get going. So I've got the jack in place now. Started putting a little pressure on the body, but the wheel is still on the ground. So now I'm going to just loosen all the lugs so that they're broken loose. And then go ahead and throw some gloves on because wheels are dirty. Get a lot of brake dust on them, and road grime and everything else. And for this car, on these lug nuts, I'm using a 19mm socket here on my 1/2" Milwaukee impact. So they're all loose now. Let's go ahead and get it off the ground. So now we'll just get the lug nuts the rest of the way off. Now, there we go. And then kind of scoot the wheel in close. Try and see where the lugs are. And move it on. There we go. Now we just need to put the summer wheel on. So start putting the lugs in. Just kind of start them by hand. Alright, so when you tighten them, you'll do it like a star pattern like that. So, and I just did this on the lowest power setting. And now I'll take the torque wrench, take the socket off the impact, throw that on here, and then I can torque them down. You want to refer to your owner's manual or online forums or something to figure out what to torque your wheels to. I'm going to torque these down to 100 foot-pounds. And before I do that, I'm actually going to drop the car down onto the ground so we can get the final torque on these. All you do is twist the handle on the jack here, and then it'll start releasing the pressure. Take it down nice and slow. There we go. And now I've set this to 100 foot-pounds by, you just grab this little collar, pull it down, and then screw it. And I got it set to 100. All right, now pull till it clicks. There we go. And we'll go in our same star pattern. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Boom. All done. Now I'll just go around and do the other 3, but just simple as that. And when you rotate your tires, the way you do it will depend on what kind of drive your car has. Is it front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, all wheel drive, four wheel drive? And also, are your wheels or your tires, are they directional? So these ones, my summer tires are not directional, so they can spin either direction. So when I swap these, since this is an all-wheel drive car, I just swap them directionally across the car. I'll put a graphic up to help illustrate the point, but since these aren't directional, I'll just swap them straight across. My summer wheels and tires, on the other hand, right here on the tire, I don't know how easy it is to see, but there's a little arrow that says rotation and it points this way. So this can only go on this side of the car, because when the car is going forward, it's going to rotate this way. So if you have tires like my winter tires here, when you swap them to do your rotation, you just swap them front and back. So this one is always going to be on the left side of my car, the driver's side, because of the way it rotates. So when I rotate these tires, I'll just swap them front and rear. When these go back on, since this was in the rear, it'll go in the front.
You know I'm working. You know I'm Mix Missy, Erica, incense and Prince, product of joy, magic and muscle. Van McCoy with the hustle. We've been working. Circle small as pinky rings. My people play position, puzzle pieces complete the vision. Yeah, we've been working like the Energizer.
All four changed. Didn't have to take it to a shop or anything, pay anybody to do it, save money. Now I'm just gonna finish marking these winter wheels before I put them away, and I'll probably spray them off. They're pretty dirty, a bunch of dust and dirt and grime and whatnot. So we'll get the power washer out, spray them off, and then dry them off, put them away. Hopefully this video was helpful to somebody. If it was, drop me a like. Subscribe if you want, whatever. Later.